Hello again. Today we're still working with the distributive property. We started with this yesterday, and today we're going to actually work through some problems and make sure that we understand this strategy and how it works. I'm working on the same page that you see on your screen. Please fill in the numbers after the lesson so that you see the process of how this strategy is used. So let's start with reading the word problem that they would like us to solve. It says, draw and label the diagram, that's this thing, to solve. The Morgan family buys 7 booklets of tickets at the carnival. Each booklet has 30 tickets. Of all the tickets bought, 21 tickets are for rides. How many tickets are not for rides? Okay, so what are they asking us to find in this problem? Let's read it one more time to make sure that we can pick out the important information and to really understand what they're asking us to figure out. It says the Morgan family buys 7 booklets of tickets at the carnival. So 7 booklets is important. Each booklet has 30 tickets. Ooh, that's also important. Of all the tickets bought, 21 tickets are for rides. How many tickets are not for rides? Okay, so this is what they want us to find. How many tickets are not for ride? So what's the first thing that I need to do? Well, I need to find out how many tickets they have overall. So I'm going to break up this big number, 30, into multiples of 10. And I know that I can do that because step 1, 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. But it's easier to multiply by 10 than it is to multiply by 30. So I have 10 little squares here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why I'm writing the number 10 here. This also has 10, and so does this. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. So here's my 30 tickets. This is my 30 tickets. And how many booklets did they buy? Well, they bought 7 booklets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 booklets. So now I need to figure out how many tickets they have all together. So I need to do 7 times 10, which equals 70. And then I need to do 7 times 10, which equals 70. 7 times 10 equals 70. Does that make sense? I am doing whatever my number is over here times 10 at the top. And now, see how it has the plus sign? I can add all of these up and get my answer. Another way you can do it is to write it out. So find the products of the smaller rectangles. We already did that here. It's 7 times 10 equals 70. 7 times 10 equals 70. And 7 times 10 equals 70. Okay, we found the products of our smaller rectangles. That's the first step. Now we need to add up our products. So find the sum of all of your products. Like I said yesterday, it's easier for me to add up and down. So I'm going to rewrite it over here. Feel free to do the same on a piece of scratch paper or on the computer. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 and 7 is 14. And 7 more is 21. Yeah. So the answer is 210 tickets. That's how many tickets they have overall. That's a lot of tickets for the carnival, right? 210 tickets. Another way that I could write this is to say 7 times 30 equals 210. 7 times 30 equals 210. Yeah. All right. So they have 210 tickets. That's the first step of our problem. We found how many tickets they have overall. But now it says of all the tickets bought, 21 tickets are for rides. How many tickets are not for rides? So this is a two-step problem. Now we need to go ahead and do some subtraction right here. So we found our total number of tickets, and then our question says 21 tickets are not for rides. So I need to subtract that because those are not ride tickets, right? How many tickets are not for rides? Oh, sorry, 21 tickets are for rides. I need to find how many are not. So if we have 21 tickets for rides, I need to do 210 minus 21. Again, I like to work vertically. So I'm going to line up my place values, make sure my ones are together, my tens are together, and then my 100, there's only one of them. And I'm going to subtract. If I have 0, can I take 1 away from it? No. So I need to go next door and borrow 10 more. What is 10 minus 1? 9. All right, I have 0. Can I take 2 away from 0? No. So I need to go next door and borrow 10 more. What is 10 minus 2? That would be 8. And then I need to bring down my 1. So my answer is 189. Find the difference. 210 minus 21 equals 189. So there are 189 tickets that are not for rides. Okay, we can use the distributive property to make our multiplication simpler because we're multiplying by 10, which is easy to multiply by. We add up the sum of our products, which is be the same as saying 7 times 30 equals 210, okay? And then in this instance, we had to subtract to find the total number. You have 2 problems to do here at the bottom. When you're finished, down here, there will be another video for you to check your answers. So this is how we use this strategy. Go ahead and try that on these 2 problems. And when you're finished, check your answer.